Welcome to Vision MBA, guys. So today in this video, we're going to share what are the different kind of idioms and phrases which are being asked in MBA entrance exams and banking exams and most of the entrance exams, which these types of questions are being asked. So we're going to solve 10 questions in this video, and let's try to understand what types of questions are being asked and how to solve these questions. So let's quickly start with it. So the first question is, choose the correct alternative which has a substituted for the given word or the sentence. Means the phrase has been given to hold one's tongue, which means to keep quiet. The answer for the same is keep quiet. The second is choose the appropriate meaning of the idiom or the phrase. Caught between two stools, which means difficult in choosing two alternatives. Now you need to choose the correct option. जैसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है first में met with an accident, stuck in a calamity or none of these. So जो closest आपको लग रहा है जिसका मतलब है, the meaning of the sentence is difficult in choosing between two alternatives. The next question is choose the appropriate meaning of the idiom. यहाँ पे idiom क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? Make up one's mind, which means to make a decision. Now this is the most common used phrase and इसका जवाब आपको पता होना चाहिए. तो कैसे to makes one mind, which means to be prepared. ये भी हो सकता है, right? आप सोच रहे रहेंगे, but नहीं. To make the most prominent decision, to make a decision. The next is choose the appropriate meaning of the phrase. Next phrase जो दिया हुआ है to read between the lines means what? Understand the hidden meaning, to have a good sight, to learn quickly, or none of these. इसका correct answer होगा to understand the hidden meaning, to read between the lines, यानी किसी चीज का मतलब समझना. The next question which is mostly asked is select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Again, the similar kind of a question. A man of straw, which means that a man of no substance. A worthy fellow, no. A very active man, no. Straw, it's related to a man of no substance, which doesn't have any meaning to it. The next question which is being asked is, select again, a phrase has been given, you need to choose the correct meaning. A weather of the storm. Storm yani tufan, means to survive in a difficult situation. A weather the storm. The next question over here is, now this is little different type of a question. In the sentence given below, replace the phrase. यहाँ पे phrase को underline किया गया है and आपको इसको grammatically correct करना है. And if the options which are given, if you feel none of them is right, you need to choose no correction required. यहाँ पे 4 options दिए हुए हैं. पहला option is all but one, all one and all, and no correction required. Now let's read the sentence. Whether I stay in Mumbai or Pune, it is all and one to me. Sentence सुनने में ही wrong लग रहा है, right? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? All one. Whether I stay in Mumbai or Pune, it is all one to me. All and one doesn't make sense. So read the sentence correctly and then answer the question. The next question which is being asked is, in the sentence given below, replace the phrase. Again, the same type of question. Now let's read the sentence. She has been working off and on for several months to complete the project. Off and on हम ये sentence नहीं use करते. When we say something, we use it with the phrase as regularly. No. On and off थोड़ा सा similar लग रहा है. On or off, या on and off, या no error. Now you have to choose the most correct one which is there. Now she has been working on and off for several months to complete the project. So the answer for this question is B. Whenever you're solving such kind of a questions, you always need to understand which is the closest one. Don't get confused. इसके लिए जब आप regularly practice करोगे, then it becomes much more easier. Now let's look at the next question. यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? Idiom and prose have been underlined over here, and choose the correct meaning from the alternatives given from the option. Always first read the question which is given and the phrase which is there. उसके बाद उसके options पढ़िए. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? Her fame spread far and wide because she was a talented singer. Let's read the sentence again. Her fame spread far and wide because she was a talented singer. तो यहाँ पे जो underline किया हुआ phrase है spread far and wide. We have to choose the correct meaning of the same. इसका correct meaning क्या होगा? Her fame, इस सेंटेंस को करेक्ट किस तरीके से करेंगे? हर फेम ग्रू, हर फेम लेसन्ड, हर फेम एंडेड और हर फेम बिगैन. Now we try to use all the four options in the sentence and see which is the correct form. Her fame grew because she was a talented singer. Her fame lessened because she was a talented singer. ये सुनने में ही wrong लग रहा है, तो ये ऑप्शन हम नहीं रखेंगे. Her fame ended because she was a talented singer. फेम कैसे एंड होगा अगर शी इज अ टैलेंटेड सिंगर, राइट? तो ये भी ऑप्शन नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज हर फेम बिगैन बिकॉज शी वॉज अ टैलेंटेड सिंगर. बिगैन नहीं, इसमें सबसे करेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन सा बचा है? ऑप्शन ए. हर फेम ग्रू, फेम कभी भी बढ़ता है बिकॉज वाई शी इज अ टैलेंटेड सिंगर. सो द ऑप्शन फॉर द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is A. Now, next question which is being asked is, in the following questions an idiom and proverb has been highlighted. Same like the option which was given earlier. Choose its correct meaning in the given context and find the alternative. She played a cat and a mouse game with all her boyfriends. Cat and a mouse game is the idiom or the proverb over here. Now you have to choose the correct answer for it. She played a game with all her boyfriends. She had a cat with all her boyfriends. Doesn't sound right, right? Her boyfriends gave her cat and mice. She played like a cat with her boyfriends who all were mice. ये सेंटेंस सुनने में ही आपको सबसे पहले जब आप रीड करते हो तभी आपको समझ जाना चाहिए कि ये ऑप्शन नहीं है. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? शी प्लेड अ गेम विथ ऑल हर बॉयफ्रेंड्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. For these type of questions, you need to understand the meaning of the proverbs which are given. जब तक आपका ये clarity नहीं होगा तो options आपको नहीं समझ में आएंगे. जैसे cat and a mouse game is related to something which is cheated, तो ये इसके अंदर ये वाला option आएगा. जैसे हमने पिछले question में किया था spread far and wide, which means इसमें हम लोग को correct sentence choose करना था so that the whole sentence becomes formally grammatically correct. So the answer for that was he fame grew. So इस तरीके के questions most of the examinations में पूछे जाते हैं. So guys, you can just go through it once and try to answer these questions on your own and solve as many questions as you want. Every day on Instagram and on YouTube, we are sharing such videos regarding idioms and phrases. ये सारे टाइप के जो आंसर्स हैं, जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, जब तक आपको मतलब समझेगा तो ही आप करेक्टली उसको आंसर कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट्स है या आपको कोई ऑनगोइंग कोर्सेज जो हमारे चल रहे हैं आपको ज्वाइन करना है तो आप हमारे ये नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. Plus you can visit us at Thane. Also there are different numbers available in the description box below. You can give us a call. Till then, try solving as many questions as you can and start reading newspapers, articles, books, some kind of information regarding the examination so that you know कि आपको किस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना है and you stay linked with the examinations.